Hi, and welcome to Honeyfly Studios tutorial for flying bound angle. So you want to start by always making sure that you have a reputable rigger so that you don't fall and die from your hammock. And then once you're sure that you have your hammock rigged correctly, when you're working on this pose, really use your arms. Put your right foot in and then left foot in. Here's another issue with this pose. It's painful, and you're going to feel like your feet are going to break. And you don't want to make sure you have your knees behind the fabric or you do a face plant onto the floor. So you want to make sure your knees are behind the fabric, and this is where you're going to feel like your feet are literally going to break off of your ankles. But they won't, especially if you turn your feet back behind you and then one arm at a time through. And you're going to feel a lot of intense pain and suffering in the hips and the pelvis. And one of the things that just helps us get used to that is that we kill the nerves in our legs over time. And so that's something that you can look forward to with aerial yoga, is some nerve damage in your legs. So push into your palms. There you go. And you can do traction. And here is a great way to tear your rotator if you're not careful. So you want to always ask your partner before that you do that adjustment. And then pushing into the knees, a little bit of traction there. Make sure you don't have any serious back injuries. Now coming out, this is also one of our big struggles, is the panic that you may feel coming out of this, especially if your thumbs are faced in the wrong direction. So make sure your thumbs are facing each other. When you come up, you're going to chicken wing the arm, see, like a little chicken. That way you don't fall backwards and out of the hammock. And then reach your arms up one at a time, use those muscles, and slowly pull yourself up and release. Great job.